Tampa's coastal climate offers beautiful views and warm weather, but it also presents unique challenges for homeowners, especially when it comes to windows. High humidity, salt air, intense sunlight, and seasonal storms can all take a toll on a home's exterior features. That's why many Tampa homeowners are turning to replacement windows designed specifically to handle these conditions. When properly selected and installed, replacement windows can deliver strong performance, improved comfort, and long-term durability. One of the most important aspects of window performance in Tampa is resistance to moisture and humidity. Coastal air often carries high levels of moisture, which can affect traditional window materials over time. Modern replacement windows are typically made from vinyl or fiberglass, both of which resist moisture absorption. Unlike wood, these materials do not swell, rot, or warp, making them ideal for Tampa's humid environment. This durability ensures that windows maintain their structure and performance for years. Another key factor is protection against salt air corrosion. Homes near the coast are exposed to salt particles that can cause metal components to deteriorate. High-quality replacement windows are built with corrosion-resistant hardware and finishes that protect against this type of damage. This helps preserve both the function and appearance of the windows, even in areas close to the water. Energy efficiency is also a major consideration in Tampa's climate. With long, hot summers, keeping indoor spaces cool can be a challenge. Replacement windows are designed with multi-pane glass and insulating features that reduce heat transfer. Many include low emissivity, low E coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This helps keep interiors cooler, reduces the workload on air conditioning systems, and lowers energy bills over time. Another advantage is the ability to reduce UV exposure. Tampa's strong sunlight can cause fading in furniture, flooring, and decor. Energy-efficient windows with UV-blocking coatings help protect interior spaces from sun damage. This not only preserves the appearance of your home's interior but also adds to the overall value of the upgrade. Storm resistance is another critical feature for windows in coastal areas. Tampa is no stranger to strong winds and heavy rain during storm season. Many replacement windows are built to meet impact-resistant standards, featuring reinforced glass and sturdy frames. These windows are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing an added layer of protection for your home and family. Proper sealing is essential for performance in a coastal climate. Replacement windows are equipped with advanced weather stripping and sealing systems that prevent air and water infiltration. This tight seal helps keep humidity outside, reduces drafts, and maintains a consistent indoor environment. It also prevents water leaks that could lead to mold or structural damage. Ventilation is another important factor. While windows need to provide a tight seal when closed, they should also allow for effective airflow when opened. Replacement windows come in a variety of styles, such as casement or double hung, that make it easy to control ventilation. This helps homeowners take advantage of cooler breezes during milder weather, improving comfort without relying entirely on air conditioning. Durability is a major benefit of modern replacement windows. Designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, these windows maintain their performance even after years of exposure to heat, humidity, and storms. Their long lifespan reduces the need for frequent replacements, making them a cost-effective investment for Tampa homeowners. Maintenance is also easier with modern materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames require minimal upkeep and resist fading, peeling, and corrosion. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections are usually enough to keep the windows in excellent condition, even in a demanding coastal environment. Proper installation is essential to ensure optimal performance. A professionally installed window will be aligned correctly and sealed tightly, preventing issues such as leaks or air infiltration. This step is crucial for maximizing both durability and energy efficiency. In conclusion, Replacement windows are designed to perform exceptionally well in Tampa's coastal climate. By resisting moisture, protecting against salt air, improving energy efficiency, and withstanding storms, they provide a reliable and long-lasting solution for homeowners. With the right materials and professional installation, replacement windows can enhance comfort, protect your home, and deliver lasting value in even the most challenging conditions.